Hello my friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am using Pampered Chef pizza crust, Pampered Chef rolling pin, Pampered Chef mixing bowl, and Pampered Chef pizza stone to make pizza. Won't you come with me? And I'm a new consultant, so if you want to order from me, the link's in the description. So here we have the pizza crust from Pampered Chef. We have the pizza stone. We have the rolling pin. We have the mixing bowl. And this mixing bowl also has a lid. So first, I'm going to look at my instructions. And I'm going to need 1 1/4 cup of water and 1/3 cup of oil. I'm choosing to use pure olive oil. And I've preheated the oven. I preheated it. We're going to put it on 425 to preheat it. Okay, so first I'm going to put this packet in and put our ingredients in. Let's go.
I-Z-Z-A, pizza.
Good spelling, Joshi. Now I need to cover it and let it sit for 5 minutes. Okay, for this next step, I need flour, a little bit of flour, and I actually don't have flour, but this is pretty much mostly flour. It's pancake mix. So I'm gonna sprinkle some flour on here. I'm gonna sprinkle some flour as I am using my rolling pin. This is my first time using my pizza stone.
So heavy.
What's so heavy, Betty?
iPad.
I'm gonna put some flour right on top. You want me to roll it out, Betty?
Yeah.
You're telling me what to do? Are you the boss of the kitchen?
Yeah.
You like pizza, huh, Betty?
I like a box.
You're a boss boy. All right, I'm gonna roll it out. I rolled it one direction. I'm gonna roll it the other direction.
Mine.
All right. So
It's the biggest.
yeah, it's time to put it in the oven. Let's look at our instructions. It says here to
Mommy.
bake on the oven rack for 16 to 18 minutes. So we're gonna put 16 minutes and then check it.
Mommy.
Let's put 17. All right. Let's clean up. There we go. While that's cooking, let's talk about some of our ingredients. Now, my kids are young, so they only like cheese pizza, so that's what we're doing. But I've got some tomato, basil, and garlic pasta sauce. Then I put the mozzarella cheese. I was going to shred my own cheese, which I'm fine with doing, but it's actually surprisingly cheaper per ounce to buy the on-sale shredded cheese than to buy the block of cheese, so that's why I got it. And I use this Italian seasoning on top. It makes it taste really authentic and delicious. This is basically thyme and oregano. Okay, so be very careful. It's very hot. Add sauce and cheese, and in my case, I'm adding seasoning as well. And then you put it back in the oven for 6 to 9 minutes. This oven mitts from Dollar Tree. It says, plant smiles, grow laughter, harvest love. Let's put some more cheese.
The pizza's ready. What's the pizza? Uh-oh. Wait, look. A, B, C.
We're gonna put ours in the oven for 8 minutes. It says 6 to 9, so we're gonna do 8. Oops, 8 minutes. This pizza cutter is $1 from Dollar Tree. This scoop is from Pampered Chef. Joshy, are you dressed as Chase from Paw Patrol? All right, so I made it do 3 extra minutes because it wasn't ready yet. Looking good. I turned on the ceiling fan and I'm gonna let it cool for a few minutes before I cut it. Okay, it's thoroughly cooled off. Check out the bottom. Awesome. Is it good?
I like the grape.
You like it?
Yeah.
Good. Hey friends, so check out the crust on the bottom. Isn't it awesome? That's all because of the pizza stone. Now I've made homemade pizza a lot of times. It's delicious. It's better than the greasy pizza you get at, you know, Papa John's or whatever. But the thing that's missing is the crispy crust. And now with the pizza stone, I get it. So if you want to order one from me, I'm a Pampered Chef consultant now, so let me know. Bye. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.